Sa mga critics ng Blue Ribbon Committee, shut the F up. Yan ang pahayag ni Senate President Ping Lacson. Insulto daw hindi lang sa mga miyembro ng Blue Ribbon Committee ang mga kritisismo na kanilang nakukuha, kundi pati na rin sa mga Pilipinong sumasubaybay sa mga kanilang pagpupulong at yung mga sumama dun sa trillion peso march. Shut the F up ang opening statement ni Ping Lacson sa dahilang madami daw ang naninira sa investigasyong isinasagawa patungkol sa korupsyon sa Ghost Flood projects. Inutil, walang silbi, bias at fruitless daw ang Blue Ribbon Committee. Iginiit naman ni Lacson na marami namang accomplishment na nagawa ang Blue Ribbon Committee. Isa na daw na yung pagkakalantad sa Bulacan 1st District Engineering Office bilang isa sa pinakamalaking corruption scandal sa kasaysayan ng corruption sa Pilipinas. Sinabi rin ni Lacson na hindi sila bias at wala silang balak pagtakpan ng sinuman.
As a warning to skeptics, detractors, and hijackers who exploit the vulnerabilities and anger of our people to deepen the fault lines of our nation during these trying times. Your noise will not silence the truth. Neither does it provide any help in our investigation. Your noise cannot convict and won't even indict the malefactors in this flood control mess. Only evidence does. Para ipangalandakan ninyo na inutil at walang silbi ang Blue Ribbon Committee is not only insensitive to its members, but an insult to our fellow Filipinos who have consistently followed and monitored our hearings and participated in the trillion peso march, the clergy, students, ordinary workers, and all concerned citizens who became aware and exposed to unbridled and systemic corruption, mainly made possible by the Blue Ribbon Committee hearings, and the media, who serve as a powerful tool in bringing to the households, eateries, barbershops, etc., the details of each and every hearing of your Blue Ribbon Committee. With all that being said, as the chairman of this committee, I say to you, shut the F up. Let us now resume our hearings.